Alright, hello my YouTube family. So I know I've already done a big YouTube update video before we went to Austria. Those of you know I was a teacher for the last 12 years in kindergarten, and I was supposed to be starting in pre-K this year, which I was super excited about and really excited for a new challenge. But an even bigger challenge has presented itself in another district in our town. And so I applied for a position, and starting on Monday, I'm going to be the new digital learning coordinator for Lubbock Cooper ISD. So what that means is that I get to not only impact the children in a classroom, but an entire district. I'm going to be going into different grade levels and different schools and being a resource for teachers. I'm going to be helping them to learn new technologies, how to incorporate technology into their classroom, researching some exciting new innovative technologies that the district can bring in. So I'm just all about technology and how to incorporate that into the classroom, how to help teachers be better teachers, and just how to get that information to the students. I'm a little bit scared because I've taught for the last 12 years. It's something that I have lived and breathed for my entire teaching career. Early childhood is where my heart is, and this was not a decision that I took lightly. This is something that Elizabeth and I have talked a whole lot about and really thought on, and as much as I'm going to miss my family at Hardwick Elementary and my family at Lubbock ISD and the amazing children that I've taught throughout the years, I just know that the skill set that I have is going to be able to impact so many more children in this position. So I love you, Hardwick Elementary, and I love you, Lubbock ISD, and I'm so grateful for the opportunities that I've had over the last 12 years, and it breaks my heart to be leaving that family, and it breaks my heart to be not having a classroom, but this is something that I think is going to be amazing for my career, and amazing for the teachers and students of this district. And I'm just really excited to be starting a different path and a different journey, and just see what can happen in the next few years with instructional technology. I'm super excited. Me and my friend Matt are going to be kind of partners in crime in this experience. He is also at Lubbock Cooper in a technology department, and so he is a whole lot like me when it comes to being super into things, super excitable, and just really ready to try new things. So we have a whole lot of plans for some new YouTube videos, some podcasts, some technology ideas. So I'm still going to be sharing some YouTube videos with you guys. I still am going to make teacher tip videos. I still want to make some classroom videos and love and logic videos and sign language videos and things like that. But I also get to add to my repertoire some technology education, which in my opinion is where education is going. So I'm super excited to be sharing that with you guys as well. I don't know what that's going to look like. I don't know what my teacher tip videos are going to look like yet, but I've got a whole lot of ideas and I can't wait to share them with you. So just be patient. I'll be back. I've got some ideas. And as usual, thanks for tuning in, and I'll be seeing you soon.